Welcome to our podcast, where we uncover the most important and interesting stories for you. In this episode, we'll discuss a major biosecurity breach involving the disappearance of hundreds of deadly virus vials from an Australian lab. The Queensland government announced that hundreds of vials containing deadly live virus samples have been lost by a laboratory. Australia's Public Health Department, Queensland Health, has been instructed by the government to launch an investigation into what has been called a major historical breach of biosecurity protocols, as per the media statement. According to the report, 323 vials of various infectious viruses, which included Hendra virus, Lyssavirus, and Hantavirus, went missing from Public Health Virology Laboratory in Queensland in August 2023. Hendra is a kind of zoonotic animal-to-human virus, which is only found in Australia. Hantavirus belongs to a family of viruses which can cause serious illness and death, as per the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, while Lyssavirus is a group of viruses that causes rabies. The lab in which the samples went missing provides diagnostic services, surveillance and research for viruses and mosquito and tick-borne pathogens of medical importance, stated the release. As per the statement, the officials were not aware if the infectious samples stolen or destroyed, and said there is no evidence of risk to the community. To look for the missing vials of viruses, the government has launched a Part 9 investigation. With such a serious breach of biosecurity protocols and infectious virus samples potentially missing, Queensland Health must investigate what occurred and how to prevent it from happening again, said Minister Timothy Nicholls in the release. The Part 9 investigation will ensure nothing has been overlooked in responding to this incident and examine the current policies and procedures in operation today at the laboratory. This investigation will also consider regulatory compliance and staff conduct, he added. Nicholls said that proactive measures have been taken by Queensland Health, which included conducting audits to ensure the correct storage of materials and retraining staff on required regulations. Director of AI and Life Sciences at Northeastern University in Boston and PhD Sam Scarpino said that the situation has arisen because of a critical biosecurity lapse. The pathogens reported missing are all high consequence and could pose a threat to the public, he said, while speaking to Fox News Digital. As per Scarpino, the three pathogens can lead to very high fatality rates in humans. Some hantaviruses have case fatality rates of up to 15%, or over 100 times more lethal than COVID-19, while others are more similar to COVID-19 in terms of severity, he stated. All three pathogens can also put animals and livestock under high risk, he said. Given the limited ability for any of these pathogens to transmit from person to person, the risk of an epidemic is very low, said Scarpino. Meanwhile, in a media statement, Chief Health Officer Dr. John Gerard said, "It's important to note that virus samples would degrade very rapidly outside a low-temperature freezer and become non-infectious. It's very unlikely that samples were discarded in general waste, as this would be completely outside routine laboratory practice." That's all from this podcast. Thanks for listening. We have many more such compelling episodes for you. Enjoy them. Do share your opinion in the comment box and subscribe to us for more.